friends, welcome to our channel. Please make sure to click on subscribe button to subscribe to our channel for the blank video lesson daily or weekly. And if you like this video, the maximum people can look through this video and they can learn something from this video. And if you have don't forget to press the bell icon. And if you like this video, there will be a very good help for us. And today I am going to say slow kirtan ki herba tal, and the goals are din din ta pause din titu ta. There is a pause. Din din ta din. Okay, then din din ta din tita ta. There is a pause. Din din along via din din here ta in the middle section. Now in the edge, ta in the edge you have to. And then pause, titu, din ta, pause, din, titu ta, din ta, pause, din, titu ta, din ta, pause, din, titu ta, din ta, pause, din titu ta, din ta, pause, din, titu ta. Din din ta pause din titu ta. Din din ta pause. And if you like this video, you can like this video, and please don't forget to click on the bell icon. Din din ta pause din titu ta. 2 times titu. Din din ta pause din titu ta. Din din ta pause din times, yes, titu ta, din ta pause din titu ta. And if you like this video, you can like this video and press the bell icon. And thank you for watching this video, guys. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon.